If you're planning a trip to Bangkok and looking for the perfect Airbnb location, today I'm showing you a hidden gem called the Wayfarer. On Sukhumvit Soi 7, it's only a 5-minute walk to Nana Plaza and the BTS Skytrain. And the Nightlife on Soi 11, let's take a look inside. Hey guys, so let's check this out. If you're tall, you got to be careful with that entrance because I'm 6'1" and I'm literally banging up to bend over. But here we are. Nice little walk up. So this is kind of like a 1-bedroom apartment, right here, right off Nana Plaza, off Sukhumvit and 7th. And it has a full kitchen. You got a burner. Got a microwave, Sane coffee maker, refrigerator, some complimentary water, some complimentary instant coffee. And what's great over here is you have a great bathroom. And you got a shower and you have a tub. So this is great, guys. Stay to the end of the video, guys, and I'll share how much I paid for this Airbnb here in Bangkok. And you got a washer machine. Also, you got a hair dryer, if you guys want to dry your hair. Get a clothes rack. And then we have another bathroom here. So this is kind of like maybe if you don't want guests using your main bathroom, you have a guest bathroom here. Great lighting, guys. Here, guys. Super excited. I've been wanting to book this for a while. I've seen it pop up on Airbnb a lot, and it does accommodate. I mean, there's 2 beds in here. I guess you could put them together if you needed to, if you wanted to. But and you have a desk. And you have an ironing board, hangers, some extra pillows in there. Let's see what else. You got some more pillows in here. You got an extra mattress there if you got an extra person staying. So, I mean, you could physically, really just like 5-6 people can stay in this one room. And you also do have a garden out here. Garden, but you could also have access to the exit as well. Guess you have a parking spot there if you needed to park a car, a motorcycle, or a scooter. So this is great. I mean, you have a little, if you don't want to go through the front, you can go this way as well. Just make sure you lock it because you are on the ground level. Nice little tour of the room. The beds are kind of firm. I don't mind it, but if you want something softer, these beds are really not that soft, but kind of between a firm and a soft. But there you have it, guys. Right here, just 2-3 blocks away from the Nana Plaza train station stop. 3 blocks over from Sukhumvit 11, where you're gonna find a lot of the bars and restaurants and whatnot. What's great is that the metro is really close. So I would say that's probably... There you have it, guys. Airbnb here off Nana Plaza. If you like this video, guys, hit that like for me, because it definitely helps the video get out there. And I guess there's like a little menu here that you can order from around the way, and they deliver it to you and everything. They deliver. This is awesome. Great, got little condiments in there as well. There we go. And over here you do have the toilet and another sink. The toilet is separate from the shower and the bathtub. Got some ventilation. Some nice marble. And if you know, you know the bum cleaner. Let's try it out so you guys know what I'm talking about. And this is why. Yeah, it comes out pretty hard. If you know, you know. There you have it, guys. So I did pay $68.37 with all fees and taxes included. Great place, would definitely recommend it. Would love to stay again. Now keep in mind, the rates do fluctuate and go up and down depending on the time of the year. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. See you later.